Hello guys, my name is Devendra. Today we'll be designing to this chain Sprocket. So let's start the video. Click File, then click New. So click Control N. So click Part, then click OK. Choose front plane. Click Sketch. Draw a circle on this origin. Again draw a circle. Click Dimension. It's 293.8 mm and inner circle dimension 130 mm. Now we are draw to the circle. So go to the entry, click extrude boss 10 mm mid plane. It's both side. Then click OK. Again choose front plane, click sketch, then OK. Choose on this front plane, click convert entity, then draw a center line on its here. Draw to the origin to this vertical edge. Double click, then exit. Click smart dimension. Its value 138.5 mm. Then click draw a circle on this point. Its value 35 mm. Now it's good. Then click this line. Draw a sketch here. Again it's here like this. Now we have its tangent on this sketch. It's good. Now we provide this value on this point to this point 41.6 mm and half value of this 41.6 divided by 2. It's great. Then click to the trim entity. Trim also this, click OK. Click here and provide to the relation tangent. Now our sketch is fully defined. Click trim, remove unwanted entity, click OK. Then go to design tree, then click extrude cut. It's here both side all. Then click OK. Now we have a sketch like this. Now go to design tree, then click linear pattern. We need to circular pattern. Choose any circular edge and then choose feature extrude face. Now it's 17 number of teeth of this pocket channel. Then click OK. Now we like this. Choose any top plane, then click sketch. Draw a sketch. It's here. Draw a middle plane line, then exit its center line. Click geometry, then click smart dimension 1.5 mm. And it's also 12 mm. Click mirror entity, select this upper entity, then about center line, then click OK. Now we have 2 mm. Again draw a center line on this origin. Upper or middle as you wish. Click OK. Go to widget tree, then click revolve cut. Choose this center line and click this 360 degree, then click OK. Now your giant sprocket was almost ready. Click on this face, create a sketch. We need to this is convert entity and click offset entity 12 20 mm on both outer side, then click OK. Go to design tree and click extrude boss 20 mm on this face, click OK. And this face, click OK. Create a sketch, go to convert entity and again draw to this offset circle, then click OK. It says extrude cut 5 mm. in this space, click OK. Now we have this light style. Click on this face, create a sketch, go to this load 3-point arc load. Click here to here and design a load. Rectangles load close. We need to define relation. Click origin, then click shift or control button, then click origin coincident mate for relation. Click OK. Now we have created a center line on this origin to this. this. We need to this vertical. Click OK. Provide to the dimension. It's 100 mm. And also this length is 100 mm. And this arc length is 100 arc. Also this is 102 mm. Now our sketch is fully refined. Then go to design tree, then click extrude cut to all both sides, then click OK. Now with this slot we need 4 times. Then go to linear pattern, then circular pattern. Need to circle an edge, any edge. Go to feature, then click extrude cut. We need to 4 times, then click 4, then click OK. Then pocket almost done. Then go to this sharp edge, so remove, then click chamfer 2 into 45-degree angle. Click it, so here to here, and this all entity. One by one this selected, upper or inner load, then click OK. It's looking good. Then we need to in here thread, then go to whole wizard, click middle, then click thread command, then choose any circle edge and also drag this time, then 90 into 4 thread mm, 90 circle for which distance on this thread, then 90, click OK. It's need to be also here, then click drag upper side and click upside on opposite direction. Now it's looking good. We need to extrude cut, so click extruded threaded. We need to trim start, it's here on or here. Click trim from start face, trim with end face. Also this click is good, and click OK. Threaded looking good or great, is good. Now we need to again as note here, click in this place, click sketch, draw a circle and draw again a bigger circle, then provide dimension, it's 165 mm, and also this 110 mm. Go to design tree, click extrude cut, extrude base, it's 25 mm. Then click OK. Now we need to slot on here, so click on this face, go to sketch, draw a center line on this origin to the upper face edge. Exit on this face, normal to this sketch. So draw a line also here to here to here. We need to circle on this edge, so click an edge, click convert entity. It's also here. Normal to this face, click remove convert entity, provide this value is 15 mm. We need to, this is middle, so click also this value 7.5 mm. Also this, sorry, this line, it's removed, click delete this, click smart dimension, then it's 7. Click OK, go to feature, click extrude cut 20 on this direction, click OK. We need to this slot 4 times, so click circular pattern, click any circle edge, click feature. To this command, then click extrude cut 4 times, click OK. Now it's looking good. We need to chamfer on also this edge, so click chamfer 2 into 4 times. So it's already selected. Just click on this face, this edge, also this edge. Click OK. Now we need threaded on this face also. So go to the whole wizard, click thread, select this edge, click OK. It's taking some time. After it's click offset, opposite direction, then click trim start and end face, then extruded thread, and click OK. It's already threaded on this edge or face. It's looking great. All good. Threaded C, create section, plane, click OK. It's this is thread on our piece, so it's good. Exit to the sketch channel, provided almost is done. Provide to appearance or color. Click appearance, also orange, click OK. Our channel Sprocket is almost done. For more video, please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.